Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to learn about scholarship. Subject English. Opposite and similar meaning words. Write an appropriate answer from given options. First, to remain healthy, we should eat fresh food and avoid dash food. Option number 1 is hot. Option number 2 is tasty. Option number 3 is sweet. Option number 4 is stale. So the answer is option number 4 because opposite of fresh is stale. So option number 4 is right. Second, find out similar meaning for the following underlined phrase. I am not afraid of your big arms. First, happy. Second, angry. Third, to be frightened by. Fourth, excitement. Answer is option number 3, to be frightened by. Because as the phrase afraid of means to frighten, the rest of the options are absolutely different in meaning. Third, what is the opposite of strong? Choose from the following. First, weak. Second, weak. Third, healthy. Fourth, powerful. Answer is option number 2, weak. A weak 7 days. A strong person is healthy and also powerful. So it is not opposite word. Weak is opposite word for strong. Question number 4. Write appropriate opposite word for the underlined word. In the story of Hare and Tortoise, Hare ran fast in the beginning, but in the end, dash and steady, Tortoise won the race. First, quick. Second, slow. Third, stable. Fourth, experience. Answer is option number 2, slow. Because opposite of fast is slow. Quick, stable and experience, all these 3 words are not relevant. These words are not appropriate and do not fit in the sentence. Fourth, select any one appropriate option from the following to make opposite. Winter is cold whereas summer is dash. First, heat. Second, heat. Third, hot. Fourth, cold. Answer is option number 3, hot. Because opposite of cold is hot. All other options are not opposite of the word cold. Fifth, choose an appropriate suitable opposite word for underlined word from given options. I love pet animals like dog, cat, but my sister Priya dash it. First, likes. Second, dislikes. Third, avoids. Fourth, hates. Option is option number 4, hates. Opposite word of love is hate. Option 1, 2, 3 are not appropriate as they are not opposite of love. Sixth, 4 pairs are given in the following. Which pair is not the pair of opposite word? First, appear, disappear. Second, beautiful, ugly. Third, false, wrong. Fourth, tame, wild. Answer is option number 3, false, wrong. Because the pairs 1, 2, 4 are the pairs of opposite words. But the pair false wrong is the pair of similar words as false itself means wrong. 7. Which word does not require prefix to make its opposite word? First, proper. Second, active. Third, wrong. Fourth, believable. Option is third. Because wrong does not require any prefix to get its opposite word. Antonym of wrong is right, but options 1, 2 and 4 need prefix to be added to make opposite words. Proper, improper, active, inactive, believable, unbelievable. 8. Choose the correct alternative which does not require prefix in to get its antonym. First, honest. Second, experienced. Third, variably. Third, evitably. Answer is option number 1, honest. The word honest requires this prefix instead of in and other words require in prefix. 9. Ajinkya is awarded for being punctual. Ajinkya always gets up early in the morning, so he dash reaches late to the office. First, never. Second, always. Third, regularly. Fourth, sometimes. Answer is option number 1, never. Because Ajinkya is punctual, so he never gets late. So the option 1 is correct. 10. Twins look alike as there is not even slight dash in them. Select any appropriate option to fill up opposite words. First, change. Second, difference. Third, growth. Fourth, movement. Answer is option number 2, difference. Opposite of alike is difference. Other options are not appropriate and irrelevant.